Alrighty guys, it's Rose from Stories from a Fallen Petal. Thanks for joining me again for another video. So I'm going to show you how I do my Bantu knots. Look at me, I'm all ready for my close-up. Here we go. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. Just letting you guys see how I'm starting off. So basically I did a deep condition. I, went underneath my hooded dryer for a little bit as well. And I kind of got a little bit lazy after that. So I just, wrapped it up and kind of rested for a couple of hours because let's be fair, wash day takes a lot out of you if you're me anyway. Doesn't seem like it, but I do have a lot of hair and it takes a lot out of me to, properly wash my hair. So this is freshly washed hair, nothing's on there apart from a little bit of my conditioner. I always leave a little bit of conditioner in my hair. I don't rinse every single thing out. I always leave just a little bit of residue. So this is, nothing else is on my hair. Look how nice and shiny it is. Yeah. I had a good wash day this day. So I'm starting off again with freshly washed hair. All I'm going to do is use my flaxseed gel and oil mixture. And as well as that, I'm going to use my castor oil mixture as well. So that's literally it. Oh no, and I also add my leave-in conditioner as well, which is the Garnier Duo. What is it? Is it pear? Not pear. What is it called here again? Sometimes I forget the words that are in Jamaican to English words. So bear with me. Avocado. That's it. So it's the avocado one that I'm using today. I absolutely love it. It's nothing fancy. It's literally, I was on travels in France and I sort of ran out of my regular stuff and I came across this and it was just so lovely. It's so slippery and it's for naturals as well. It's all organic naturals. So you can see there, that's my flaxseed gel. I'm so ridiculous. So it's flaxseed and also marshmallow with some of my oil mixture as well. Her bloopers section. I'm using the remote to try and cut out the video, to pause the video, but I can't work it out, so that's it there. It takes me forever. Oh, I'm so ridiculous. So I'm back now. Anyway, you can see that I sectioned the hair and now I'm just working from the back. So I have two at the back. So this is the first section. I added the flaxseed, marshmallow and oil mixture. And now I'm just about to add and I added, my castor oil and olive oil mixture as well. And now we're adding the Garnier Dorks avocado leave-in. I should really have these things in front of me when I'm doing the voiceover so I can actually read all the stuff it says on the bottle. But hey, like I said before, we shall get better at this, okay? It's all about improvement. It's all about improvement. There's always room for improvement. So I'm just getting this first section here ready for the first Bantu. You can see I'm just showing you a little bit of where I've lost hair there, just from kind of raking through it and getting everything, all the product on the hair. So you can see it's literally just a case of detangling, spinning it around your finger right up until the point where it starts to feel tight, and you just keep twirling, keep twirling, keep twirling until it goes right into that little circle. You don't want to do it too tight because one, it hurts. Two, you like I already have a hell of a lot of shrinkage. So if it's too tight, your hair is just going to be, yeah, like you're hardly going to be able to separate it. So you don't want to have it too tight, but you do want to keep twirling it, keep twirling it, keep twirling it, twist it around your finger until you get right up to the top, and then you just keep twisting it round to basically lock it in. I'm pretty sure by now everyone knows how to do a Bantu knot or Chinese bump if you're from Jamaica. So, yeah, I mean, I'll skip, I'll fast forward a bit through this video, but it's just a case of, you know, just showing this little tutorial of how I do it. It's not perfect by any means at all. I'm not perfect by any means at all. You can see that I added way too much product there. So I'm just trying to spread it everywhere else. Really, I added too much leave-in. So yeah, I did the marshmallow and flaxseed. Then I did some oil. Then I did the leave-in conditioner. I've just found a single strand knot or whatever. Yeah, there's a knot there basically. So I'm just gonna work it through, work with it until I get rid of it. There you go. Pretty simple because my hair's already detangled. So again, just get all the product into your hair. See, twist, 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 twist. Gets tight. Then you start wrapping it round itself, And then when you get to the very end, you kind of go under. You go under the Bantu knot that you have already, and go onto that with the end of the hair just to lock it in place. You really don't need to use bobby pins or, you know, hair pins or anything like that. It really just stays in place. And we're off to the next section. But guys, I just wanted to say how much I miss this healthy hair. Like, look at how healthy it is. It literally, yeah, there's another knot there. But that's the other thing as well. Unless I have my hair stretched, it's just so painful. I get knots so easily because my hair is so curly, just from, you know, just naturally without manipulating it or having anything on it. It's really curly. So it curls into itself so easily. Which is why I like to just have it stretched. I like to make sure that it's in a state where it's not gonna get all knots and mats and all that stuff, because that's how I end up losing hair. And I think as well that might be what I'm going through now. It's part of what I'm going through, because I'm just losing hair like a crazy person. You guys will see in the other video as well, other videos where I'm just really stressed out from just how much hair I'm losing whilst I'm doing my hair and whilst I wash my hair. Just, yeah, it's completely different from what's going on here only 3 months ago. So yeah, this video is back in December. So I'm just, you know, slightly detangling, not detangling because it's already detangled, just separating my hair from where it's getting into knots. Again, as I said before, I get knots really easily because my hair is just so curly. It just curls around each other. Basically, all the strands just curls around each other. So I have to really be quick when I'm trying to give my hair some stretch, or, you know, just doing whatever I'm doing to it. I have to be quick. I can't just leave it like I did for a couple hours and just relax like that, because then it just gets knots so easily again. So this is the third one. Again, I add first the marshmallow and flaxseed mixture, then the oil, and then the leave-in conditioner. As you can see, I'm not putting a lot in it anymore. There you go, twist, twist, twist. It starts feeling tight, so I start twisting it around itself. And just take your time doing this, guys. There's no need to rush. Once you get to the end, like I said before, you just go under the actual knot itself. Apologies for all this noise in the voiceover. Unfortunately, I don't have headphones, and it's a car outside. Oh, this is really annoying. It seems like it's going to go on forever. Okay, there we go. Yeah, apologies again, guys. It's really unprofessional stuff going on here right now. But again, I will get better with all of this. So I kind of just skipped forward in the video just to, try and not make it too long. So here we go. Almost at the end. Just a couple of them left. So again, it's the flaxseed and marshmallow mixture, just a small amount. Then I just added a little bit of the castor oil and olive oil mixture. That's pretty much what I use head to toe as well. Use it everywhere. Right, I've gone off somewhere there. Honestly, I don't know how to be better at this. Like, I need to be better at this stuff. Yeah, for some reason I thought I needed to do a bit of detangling here with the comb. I think it just felt a little bit rough, the hair. So detangling a little bit with the comb. Going back to go back in with my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, a couple of strands didn't get into the ones that they needed to, so I'm not going to add it to the one that it doesn't, to the section it doesn't fit in, because then I think that's how you get breakage as well. I simply just, put it to the side. Adding a little bit more leave-in there on the end. I don't know, it just felt really dry, that section. So again, twist, 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 keep twisting. I do hold the top of the section as well whilst I twist. With the other hand, I'm holding the top of the actual section that I'm doing, because I feel like as well it helps you to make sure that you're not going to do it too tight on your scalp, because I feel like, one, it hurts, and two, like, you can lose hair. So I just do it. Keep twisting, holding it, twist until you get to the... Right, okay, that messed up a little bit, but yeah, I'm going to leave that one because it's being annoying. I'm just going to go to the next section. So again, same process as before. We do the flaxseed and marshmallow mixture. Then we do the oil. Then we do the leave-in. So I'm using the comb here as well. Guys, I apologize. There's so much background noise today. I mean, honestly. considering we're on a statewide lockdown, like there's a lot of people outside. But yes, here we go. Got all the products in. Right, okay, I'm going in with the Denman brush as well. I think this front section is just not doing all the things that I need it to be doing. So I'm putting in extra amount of effort here at the front. Right, so we start twisting, twist, twist, twist from the top down as well. So from the top down, you're twisting, start twirling it around itself, hold it, twist, 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 hold it. As you're doing it, see, the thing is, I'm not getting this front bit right, but as you're doing it, you want to be getting it under each other. So every twist you go round, like you're getting it under the hair, you're wrapping the hair under each other, under. I think this might be the lucky one. Here we go. And when you get right at the end there, see, you just twist it right under so it locks in. And that's it, really. Okay, here we go. I think this might be it. It's the final one. So again, same technique. You kind of twist it until it gets a little bit tight. Then you start going round and round and round and start wrapping it around each other. And remember, you want to go under as well. Every wrap that you do, you want to go under, and that's how you actually get it to stay in place without using a bobby pin. I'm super happy. It's the last one. It's done. Yay! They're much tighter than the other ones, but that's just how it went down. Yeah, I was super over it by this point, so glad to see that it's done. And there you go. I think I have around 16 altogether. Yay! So, I mean, after this, all I'm going to do is just add my silk scarf and bonnet, and pretty much that's it, because I'm ready for bed already. You can't tell, but I'm wearing my PJs actually. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you guys like, just let me know if you have any questions, about the technique, how it's done, because I know that by now everyone knows how to do a Bantu, but maybe not so much without having to add the clips at the end, which really is also painful to the hair. So this is definitely a lot much more convenient, especially to sleep in as well. You don't have to worry about having bobby pins, jabbing you in the head as you're trying to sleep. So guys, I will add a photo. Actually, no, I won't add a photo. The next video does have the results, does have the takedown results. Yeah, I unfortunately it didn't let it dry properly, so yeah, it didn't turn out especially good, but it was fine. There you go, my satin bonnet and silk scarf, and pretty much that's it. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys. Bye.